Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now, I've got an amazing bonus launching on the 28th of May. Now, this bonus is for the first 10 buyers only. It's a very, very limited bonus. It's not going to be around for long, but it's an amazing bonus that you should lock in if you're interested in affiliate marketing. Now, the bonus is for AIDuals. I'm going to do a live call, a webinar, everything about AIDuals, so make sure that you watch out for that. Get on the live call here, join the live call, get your place. It's happening on the 28th of May, so make sure you lock that in. If you get on the live call, you buy through the live call, you will be guaranteed my bonus. Now, what is my bonus? Well, my bonus is the affiliate booster kit. Now, I've included everything here that you can start your own affiliate marketing business. Now, coupled with my help, with my team's help, and everything that I'm giving you, you've got a successful bonus here that you can kind of kickstart your affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm giving you 100 bonus packs to use, 80 templates to use. We've got live calls that's been recorded in there. Now, I'm also going to create, or my team is going to create, your own affiliate hub. Now, it's a long time since we pushed this out, so I thought we'd kind of just do it for the end of the month. As I said, I'm only doing 10, not doing any more than that. Now, the normal cost on this is $697. Now, what we'll do is we will create everything for you. So you get a full marketing page design. So as graphics team will do that, just tell them what you want. We'll do it for you. Get the login page, full logo design. You get a page building system in there, and you get the page building system that I use. Hundreds of templates, connects with all major autoresponders, full funnel creation built in, automation built in, course builder in there, lead tools, split testing, everything that you need for your affiliate marketing business is included. And we include a full hosting package as well. Now, as I said, the last time we used to push this out, it was about $697 that we sold this for. There is 10 spots only, so if you want this, make sure that you lock in because it's a huge offer. I've also got some brand new PLR, the future of affiliate marketing funnel. Full PLR rights included. Now that includes the lead page, the ebook, all the giveaway graphics. It also includes the upgrade video course, full sales page as well, and it's brand new. I've got an AIDuals Done For You campaign. Now we'll create the AIDuals Done For You campaign and we will upload that into your affiliate hub. Once the affiliate hub's ready, we'll upload that in there and you can start kind of pushing AIDuals. I'm also going to give you 10 affiliate funnels. Now these are 10 campaigns that I've done in 2024 and I've generated over $50,000 with them. They've never ever been out before into affiliate hubs, so I'm going to give you those. There's 10 of those. I've also shot a 10-step video program. This is all about affiliate marketing in 2024. I've also coupled it with using AI, so this is really everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, AI in 2024. I'm also going to give you a link on our ad network. Now what we will do is we will create the banner for your affiliate hub and we'll put it into our ad network so you'll get some traffic there as well. Plus I've got even more bonuses when we release the full package on the 28th of May. I just wanted to showcase you what we have there because it is an amazing package, it really is. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, generating money online, then you need this, okay? Now there is 10 spots only, so do not, wait because those 10 spots will go quickly. Get on the live call on the 28th of May. We'll go through AIDuals and you'll be able to lock my amazing bonus package in, okay? Now, free downloads. If you've missed any free downloads over the last few weeks, I've put them all here. Now it's for 24 hours only. So if you want these, make sure that you claim them. As I said, 24 hours only, then this will be gone. So make sure that you get those and make sure that you lock your spot in for the live call for the 28th of May. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.